Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows PC drivers with double driver and backup beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download double driver from the official website. Install double driver by following the setup wizard prompts. Once installed, open the double driver application. You will see an option to backup on the main screen. Click on the backup button to proceed. Next, select the drivers you want to backup. You can choose Select All if you want to backup all drivers. After making your selection, click on the Backup Now button. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose a backup location. Select a folder where you want to save the driver backups and click OK. Double driver will now start backing up the selected drivers. The process might take a few moments, depending on how many drivers you've chosen. Once the backup is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You can now navigate to the backup folder to find your driver files. For restoring drivers, return to the double driver main screen. This time, click on the Restore button. You will need to specify the location where the backup is stored. Select the folder and click OK to continue. Double driver will scan for the backed up drivers. Choose the drivers you want to restore. Click on the Restore Now button to begin the restoration process. Wait for the restoration to complete. This may take a few moments. Once finished, a confirmation message will appear. You have now successfully backed up and restored your Windows PC drivers using double driver. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.